You got something to say to the camera, Carlos?
No.
No?
No habla inglés el tacuache.
By the way, Carlos speaks perfect English. He just don't want to be on camera. You may can get you a lady. You're not finding any more? Only guys now?
No, no even guys.
Just nothing. Fully celibate. All right, so we're outside of our Hillwood house that we bought about 3 weeks ago. About a week and a half ago, we had a bad storm come through here and we had a tree from the backyard fall on this front right corner of the house. So we had to get the tree cut down and taken off of there. And we've already replaced all the roof supports. We've put new decking on the roof. It's still tarp because we don't have shingles on it yet, but it's all dried in now. We fixed the siding on the side of the house because it damaged basically the back right-hand corner. This whole entire thing was pretty well messed up. This is a package unit. The furnace and the condenser is together in one unit, and you just have ductwork going inside the house instead of there actually being any equipment. Two reasons why we're moving that. One, it looks terrible in the front of a really nice house in Vestavia. Secondly, we're moving the stairs from inside the house kind of in the middle, in this right-hand side, to where we can rearrange the two bedrooms and the master bedroom, and we're gonna move the stairs to the front side of this house. So we're gonna end up taking out those 3 windows and that front door, and we're gonna put a really nice big set of double doors in this front left-hand side of this front porch. And that's gonna change the whole entire look of the front of this thing. And then we're gonna update the windows in the basement also. So now that we got all of that repaired and we got the house back dried in, we are in the process of installing LVLs to open up this floor plan from this point all the way to there. That way we can open all this up and get down all of these walls. All of this will be completely different. We're gonna take those stairs out to make a master closet and a closet for this bedroom, and we're gonna move the stairs to where they come down right here, going down to the basement. So there will no longer be stairs over there. We're gonna take them out. We're gonna put them there, going down to the basement, rearrange all the duct and everything. We have taken down the main load support wall. We've installed 2 temporary walls to hold up the roof load and all the ceiling joists. We're gonna slide these 36-foot LVLs. It's gonna carry the roof load and the ceiling joists with this LVL to where we'll have an open floor concept. After we get the LVL installed, we'll take these temporary walls down, and then we'll continue with the other side of the house, relaying out those bedrooms and moving those stairs around. That LVL will sit right here. There's also a steel post that's directly underneath here, and this is the main girder that goes down through the house. So that load will be carried from the roof to the LVL to these 2x4s and be carried down through to a metal post that goes directly down to the foundation. You got something to say to the camera, Carlos?
No.
No?
No habla inglés el tacuache.
By the way, Carlos speaks perfect English. He just don't want to be on camera. You may can get you a lady. You're not finding any more? Only guys now?
No, no even guys.
Just nothing. Fully celibate.
Yeah, so with the LVL, one of the things that we're doing here to reinforce it is we're getting these old 2x6s here, and we actually had to cut them out, and we're gonna put in these new 2x10s, which are a lot stronger and sturdier to really support the weight of the roof in the entire house. And so that's one of the things we're gonna have to do is get all these up here and get them to tie in with the LVL here. And that's gonna really help get this, because what you're seeing now, all these temporary walls are gonna come out and it's just gonna be a big open space. So we got the guys here putting up the LVLs. We got 3 30-foot LVLs coming up. Probably the hardest job out of anything that we do with the houses. We got a little gimmick going on here. They got like a winch for like the Jeeps that you have, and they rigged it up so that it straps onto the LVL, and they're just kind of running it up and using a pulley system to get it up there, which is pretty smart because you don't really want to be manhandling several hundred pounds. Yeah, what else can we say? This is actually how they built the pyramids. They had Jeep systems here, and that's how they did it, you know? funny story about this house is I got a call from Matthew a couple weeks back. We had a storm that came in. It was pretty rough. And he was saying, hey, I need you to check out the house here. Realtor just told us that a tree fell in the house. You know, I'm thinking worst case scenario, it's plopped down the middle, the house is gone. But thankfully we got the best case scenario of this, and it just kind of nicked the corner here. It did a little bit of damage on the roof, and it was just an old tree that just had bad timing, right? But the funny story about this house is the realtor said that they had just replaced the roof just a couple months ago. So we thought we were getting some good luck right there. But we should be able to get this thing fixed up and running pretty smoothly.